All right, here we go. RXT, UUD, everything coming down. RXT, higher float, but this could work with a dip down to 90. Nice. So we can get a gap and go right above 101. Gap and go above 101. If we can hold. Sure. Ooh. A 4. I got in high. Take this off flex. I got in high. Okay, fine. 7, 8. We can have right here 10. Taking most of it there. Working with 400. Next candle here is important. Okay, taking that, working with 200 flat. Stalled right there. The momentum. Okay, keeps going. Sweet. Sweet, 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 sweet. All right, we're gonna take it 14, and then we're gonna look for a dip here. Oh, sweet. Okay. Wow. Out too prematurely there. Let's see if we can get a dip here. 107, 104. It did struggle right here, right under 10. But what a beautiful move. Right account? Yes, trading in the right account. Good. Okay, another gap. You want this thing to test some gaps here. It's a higher float. You want these things to test some gaps, see how well it holds on the dips. So we got a gap right there, 12 to 09. We also got a gap right here, 07 to 04, which would be a pretty dramatic. Okay, looks like this is going to get canceled. 110 to 109, so yeah. Right. So we got this one here. 2655. It's going to be 107 to 104. Can I take that 107 to 104? On that dip. Might even hold $1. But we'll see. This is coming down. Good dip there. RXT, I don't have a strong target above 124. 124 is my target. It's kind of close by. 106. Don't know what's gonna do it. Might actually just keep going here. 3. Yeah, it could actually do it, honestly. Could actually do it. We could actually get there. 107 to 104. Stop is going to be 104. 108. 107 to 104. Pretty much risking what I've made so far. If I can get 104. 106. Oh, that would be so beautiful. We get 106. Can we get 106? This one is coming back around. Watching other stocks. Nothing really happening. This is the main one so far. 106. It'll be the first test of the gap at the open. Has it tested gaps before? It has. It's broken below it. So we'll be careful. There you go, 105. Keeping it tight, 104. Nice bounce. Keeping it. Ooh, that thing looked like it bounced even lower, like 99 cents, but it didn't even go there though. We need this to push. We need this to push. I would need this to really push here. Come on, buyers. Come on. Don't want to take half out right here. Because I'm seeing green. There you go. 9. Dang it. Ooh, a little lower. And it bounces. 104 is my stop, so I'll have to hold through this discomfort. You know, ideally, I love it when it hits the area and we bounce quicker. But sometimes you get these stocks that just want to grind it out. Want to grind it out. Nice. 200 out at 7. Come on, get me out, bro. I have to cancel, make sure I cancel, because the other day I messed up. Did not cancel my orders. Losing a little bit of size. 200 shares at 7. You have to hold. Hold. Hold 4. Hold 4. Nice. Bounce now. Bounce. Come on. Nice. 8. 9. 200 out of 9. Nice. Okay, cool. So Just put in 200 out, see if it's strong. My order got bought up really quickly, so it's strong. So I'm holding this. Come on, 11, 12, bounce, brother. Bounce. Okay, so I got 800 working with 800 here. Keep going. We're gonna stop flat pretty much at 5. If you don't want to do it, green volume is kind of on our side here. Bounce, 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 bounce. Nice bounce here, 9. This is going to be the grindy one. Good. Good, my target is 24. There you go, 12. It's I see a seller at 13, so I'm unwinding here. Gonna unwind. Working with 400 flat. So forming a gap and go. Right at 09. Sellers at 13, yeah. Okay, nice. Nice. 15, nice. Out another one there. Beautiful, 19. I'm gonna try to get out 19 here. 20. I'll take it out 20 right there. Nice. Cool, that's sort of our target. So nice, in 2 trades, we made that happen. It did struggle a little bit. Did struggle a little bit there. 116 to 112 could be a great area for a dip. Let's see how well that holds. Here we go. 116 to 112. Come on. Let's make this happen. Slicing up some more. That dip right there, 116 to 112. That would be really great. Okay, size on this. Hopefully, but we also have this right here, 109. So we can even bounce at 109, so I have to be careful. Target has been reached. We have another potential move. Like 39, maybe? Hmm. So the green volume is smaller, so we may get a dip here. Pretty big one. Maybe. Has some topping wicks at the open pre-market. So that might be a topping wick. We may get a dip here. Gotta be careful, it's not too low. $16 to $12. Being patient here on this dip. Alright, looks like it's up here, 21. Need to get a trade right here, quick. Quick trade at 21. Gap and go. Next candle needs to hold 21 for me to do it. Okay, that did it. Okay, cool. Okay, that kind of worked. Wow, keeps pushing, keeps pushing. Nice. Okay, missed out on that move, but not a problem. 24. Okay, so dip to 24 needs to hold. So dip a little bit, maybe he wants to keep going. Cap and go, no chance for a dip, huh? So you got no chance for a dip. Yeah, this is not gonna dip because it's just so heavy with buyers. Oh, here we go. That's your dip. When it dips, it's gonna dip pretty hard. Dang. Okay. Did it dip to 25? I don't know if that actually dip. That's crazy. All right. Pretty heavy up here. I was hoping for a dip down here. 39. This might keep going here. Volume is lower though. Careful. Careful. Wow. Amazing volume there with amazing move there with lower volume. Nice push. Would it keep going though? That's the question. It got pretty choppy up here. I was hoping for a dip, but it went all the way up here. Not able to find a good move. It went down here too fast. It wasn't able to catch it. This is not gonna work. It's gonna be a topping wick. So we'll see what it's going to do here. Dip. Dip here. 25 maybe. Okay, here we go. Dip in here. Alright, here we go. It's 26. How well this dip is going to work. Only 1,000 shares. 26 is holding well. Mm, 25. 25. Selling, but there's also buying here. It's a buyer at 25. Nice buyer there. 5 minute. It's just a weird candle. Gotta give it. And Black is actually doing well. Volume is light. This one, although it bounced from 25, I'm not sure if it's actually gonna hold. Coming down. Retest 25. See how 25 holds again. 25 hold. 25 hold. Okay, 26 by 25. I'll get in here. Nice. Stop is flat. I'm betting that this could work right away. Just 1,000 shares. Nothing crazy. Nice. 29. 30. I need to see the volume here. Stop is flat 26. It's a new 5-minute candle. Nice. 30. Come on. Nice. Hopefully I got over 30 at least on that exit. Oh, looks like it's coming down again. 400 left. $32. It just looks pretty heavy there at 30. Yeah, we're gonna take it off here. Looks like it might come down. So good read there, going to 28, 29. So not bad. I got some out at 31. The first exit was 29. Not bad. So it's all right. This is going to maybe give us a dip down here. We'll be patient. All right, looks like this does not want to come down. So we're gonna look for a trade over 30. Let's see how well this holds. Okay, I guess not 25. Sorry, not 30. So this is 28 to 24. Good gap right here. Strong gap. Surprisingly. This is a new 5-minute. We'll see. Maybe over 30 still. Okay, here we go. Volume came in through there. Algos are starting to print. 45 seconds here. Please hold. Please hold this candle above 30. Please hold this candle above 30. For a gap and go, that would be gorgeous. Gap and go. Come on, don't give me a false break. Don't give me no nonsense. I think this could work really nicely. Ooh, 29. Dang it. That was close. It's going to retest 25. Holding again. This is pretty important here. 25 breaks. This might be done. Yes. 25. Hold, brother. Hold. Dang. Alright. Hold down is 14. Probably at this gap here. Alright. Alright, we'll see. Should we take this on the reverse side? See if we can get a trade here for a gap and go that goes lower at 26. Going short. Let's see if I can go short here. I think this is easy to borrow. No chance for a pullback. I think it's just going to be here. MLEC. Bro, the volume is so light. So this is going to be a short here. Let's see if we can get into the gap. Come on, get into the gap. Give me a nice short play. 23 to 26, maybe a 25. Over to, or maybe 24. I'll go short right here. This is a higher float, so it definitely has shares to borrow. Watching this 24, ready to short it. Stop at 26. Come on, give me a little push to 24, 25. I'm gonna short the crap out of it. No. Not gonna do it, huh? There's still buyers though that are holding it up at 20. If it can go up there to 24, I want to short it. Red volume is small here. Maybe it'll get more volume if it goes into this red gap. Come on, go into the red gap. There are more shorts up there. Stop is 26. Watching. Push into the red gap. And we're going to take off. Take off to the downside. Because we want to grab this liquidity, but we're not ready yet. Watch it, please. 24, 25. Even 25, 26, and then short all goes are gonna hit trigger, and then we're gonna make a lower move here. But I need to see 24, 25. I need to see longs trying to get it. Longs attempt to get it. 23 by 24. I'll take a short right here. Nice. Stop is going to be 26. Will my idea work? Will my idea work? And I'm going to get squeezed here. Took a short at 24. I'm hoping this works. It's gonna go to 26. Please go short. Please go the lower. Stop is going to be 26. And we're going to get stopped out. Are we? So much buying. That's crazy. Okay, getting stopped out here. Oh, that's annoying. That's crazy. Okay. So it's actually pretty bullish. So getting stopped out there. This thing is pretty strong. All right, we need to see a 25 dip. Come on. The closer to 25, the better for me here on this dip. Pretty high on this gap. Pretty high gap. 31 is that low, so 31 to 25. If this can go lower, okay, 31 to 25. Maybe get a dip here. 28. Please dip 28. Brother, come on, dip 28. Come on. Oh, this thing is just so strong, dude. Might form a gap right here at 33. It's gonna squeeze from a gap 33. Okay, 32. Then hold. Looking for a dip at 28. Then. Again, choppy. Choppy. Oh, choppy. Looking for a dip at 28. Into the beautiful gap. It's a big gap. So there's gonna be some, it's gonna be a pullback. Looking for a dip. MLEC. 31 to 25. That's a 6 cent. 6 cents. I would appreciate it under 30. Quick snap down. Get it under 30. 32. Here we go. 33. Dang. Okay, over 34 then. Over 34. Don't go too far yet. Don't go too far. Hold this area. Hold this area. Don't go to 40. If it goes to 40, it's kind of going too far. 36. Let me see this next candle here. 39. I'm waiting for this gap to form here at 34. Can I get 36? I'll get 36 in here. Ah, 34. Don't go to 34. I'm in at 36.80. Green. No, this is coming down. Gonna have to get out on that. Dang it. Oh, that sucks. So I was looking for a little micro 36 to stop 34. Man, losing too much off the top here. Trying to catch the next move. Anyway, we have a beautiful gap down here that I'm gonna take. Yes. 34 held by the skin of its teeth. My entry was what? 36.82. I'd still be like worried here. That's all right. I took it out. See this dip here, 28. Come on. $28. If it keeps holding 35, this might be a play here. Just kind of like an intuition play. Oh, nice. Nice, 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 nice. 37, 38, 37 is that gap. This could break here. Super tight stop. Watching. Oh, 36 now. Yeah. Down back to 37. Dang, if 39 prints, this could actually go here. 39 prints on the bid. There you go, printed 39 in the bid. This could actually go here. Could actually go 39.
RXT. MPB.
Maybe not. Oh, what? Okay. 41. Algos are gonna start pushing this to the fold. Up. What do we have here?
RXT.
Bro. Dip. Dip on this gap. Come on. 39. 39 my stop on the gap.
Trading RXT.
Dip a little bit. Come on. Just dip a tiny bit. Oh, yeah, that's 44. Okay, let's go. 43.5. I'm so high, bro. I'm so high up here. Go, you need to go now. You need to go now. You need to go now. Yeah. Dang it. It's gonna drop into this gap here. 38 by 39. This could still be really good. A little lower. Stop at 39. Yeah, I'm getting chopped. I'm getting chopped out. Chopped out $100. Ah, dang it. All right, looks like I don't know how to trade this. Had some really great trades, but this area was very difficult for me. Try to short it. Here, maybe there was a dip right into the gap. Try to go for a gap and go. Didn't work quite as I thought. The low on this was 41. All right, well. Yeah, that sucks. All right. What if I go short here? I'll go short. Let's see what happens. Stop is going to be 41. Why not? We tried short one time, didn't work. This short's looking pretty nice up here. Off this little gap. Nice. We want to get a short down at least to this area, 31. Oh my gosh. How the heck? Yeah, shorting this, it's not easy either. So the tough part is that small green volume is pushing it higher. But this thing might still be in play. Yeah, I have to get out. Unbelievable. So I guess we're going long. Flip-flopping today, 40. We're going long here, 40. I mean, I don't know if I want to go long. You know, it's like too many trades already. Too many trades. I gotta relax. Tried to go short there, got denied. So it means it's still pretty strong. So it's an interesting stock because it's giving more moves here. Let's see. We'll give it a try. If it wants to go now, 42 is that level. 41 got rejected. Back to 42. Back to 41. Yeah, that's choppy. That's choppy. Nothing. I don't want to push. I don't want to push it, honestly. Now it wants to do a big drop. This was such a great red bearish gap for it to come lower. But it got denied. Oh well. I gave back too much on this thing. Here we could have a red. We could have a red gap and go here. Should we do it? Should we do a red gap and go? I wanted to see 39 and see how that sells off. I 38 by 39. All right, let's do it. So a little low, but I think this could work. Finally getting that red gap. Hopefully we respect that red gap this time. There you go, respecting that red gap. 36, we're looking for a target to be down here, 30s. 30s to be our target. Oh my goodness. What the heck? That would be crazy. Might get stopped out here. What a day, bro. What a day. What a day. Okay. All right. And I get stopped out by 1 cent. No way. That's crazy. All right. I don't know how to short. I'm so bad at shorting. All right. We're only green $17 now. We keep back an entire day. That's freaking insane, bro. That's freaking insane. We got stopped out by 1 cent. Ah, that's a shame. Oh well. Whatever, man. All right. Now we can only take 1K going long here. I'm looking for finally get into this gap. See if we can get 28 on this. 25, 28 on this. Hold down is 21. Maybe a straight hold down. I doubt it. It didn't hold up. Why would it hold down? This could be the beginning of backside of just a bigger move. So maybe, let's see, 26. It's surprisingly strong, bro. Surprisingly strong. Okay, it looks like we dropped in here. I wonder if we're gonna hold this thing. The low of that is 28. We could see lower. We could see, well, I have 25. That's sort of the low of that. So we can get probably 26, 28. Hmm. It's a big gap. It's an SE. What do we got here? Volume is really low. So that seemed to work. 29 by 30. 33 now. We'll see. We'll see how well this thing behaves. It wants to go a little lower. It's not done coming down, but maybe. Okay. Our gap and go is going to work. Coming into this red gap. I gotta see what hasn't been working. I tried to short it 2 times. Failed shorting it 2 times. I think right here. Then I try to go through this area, get some gap and goes through this area. Didn't work. Try to short it one more time. Didn't. Well, yeah, short here. Gap and goes didn't work. Didn't come into this gap. So try gap and goes didn't work. Try to short it one more time. Didn't work. Got stopped out with 1 cent, dude. This is crazy. Like this is the move that I wanted to see. All right. Okay. Um. In any case, In any case, it's coming down again. It's coming up, rather. Maybe it's just going to step down. Maybe it's going to hold. Look, I wanted to take a gap and go here just for this thing to fail, you know? So gap and goes, no, I'm not going to do that. Wait for these setups. I'm going to wait for a 1 minute gap setups because those seem to be working the best. The best, like this one here, which worked nicely at the open. This one, which was nice. I missed it, didn't take it, didn't trust it. I thought it would come down a little more. Now, I tried to do it on the reverse side, but getting stopped out. The stock is too strong. So we're going to wait. We're going to be patient here. This is such a great opportunity here. This is a nice gap and go, but I'm just so concerned about the red gap that it's going to fail and then it actually pushed right through. Anyway, we'll see. All right, looks like we got a nice dip here. We can just start it with 1,000 shares. 28. How do we like this 28? Do we like this 28? I need to see some green. I want to pick this up here at the lows. Double bottom. Yeah, I'll pick it up right here. 28 by 29. Seems just a slight bit of green, enough to get me to buy it. Hopefully this works, brother. Hopefully we got a good trade in our hands. Double bottom. Gonna stop out quick and try to get it lower at 25 if possible. If the same story as per usual continues, it has strong buying power, strong buying orders, and I think we could finally get out of this. All right, looks like we may come down. So I'm gonna look for this to stop 28. We got a 25 as a low. Don't want to hold to 25, so I'm gonna hit break even at 28. Here we go. Let's see if you break 28. I'm getting out break even or just 1 cent loss. But ideally, it holds 28. If not, I'm gonna try to go for a. Yeah, I'm gonna go there. Try 26. Okay. So took a cent loss there. Now holding 26. Hopefully these lows hold, bro. Hopefully these lows hold. These lows hold. Do I want to stop at 25? I don't know. Might go red on the day here. If it doesn't work, we may blast through 25. I gotta be careful. So giving it the last attempt at 25. Okay, cool. So you better bounce at 25 now. Nice, 28. Back to 26. Might come lower. Might come lower. This needs to be green. This needs to be green. Green here. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to get out 25. That would be the end of the trading session, I think. So, waiting for the break of 25 to stop out, or we finally get a nice move here. A lot of selling. I don't really like that. I mean, this is the kind of selling I would have loved to see when I was short. So out 25 right there. Looks like it's gonna break down. Oh, you son of a gun. Ah, you're joking, right? Oh man, what a fumble today, right? Just like when that volume seemed pretty strong, right? Pushes so quickly to 32. Oh, come on. Ah. I got stopped out 25 thinking it's gonna break. Okay. Can we get another trade maybe here? Tried it 2 times here. Got stopped out. Barely stopped out there. Let's see. 28. 28. 28. 29. 29 by 30. I would buy it. Mhm. So small red volume, looking for a dip. Bro, this stock's just driving me crazy, bro. This stock is driving me crazy. All right, I want to see a dip before I get back in. There's a big gap right here, 5-minute gap. I think it's gonna give a dip before it goes.
H&M.
Being patient with this dip. Cannot get frustrated, you know?
EVPR.
Looking for that dip. 30 by 28. That's the gap. 28. There you go. Fine, I'll take this. Nope. I want to take it a little lower. 27. Yeah, I'll take 20. Ugh. Alright, whatever. Could have taken it 27. Got basically the same fill here. Alright. Stop's going to be 27. Hopefully this holds. And we get a nice trade here. New 5-minute as well. Yeah, anyway. It's sort of like a gap reclaim setup here. We'll see. Coming down to 27. Back to 28. It's not there yet, I think. It's not there. Might want to get off flat here. Looking at it again, the 5-minute. It's not there yet. If I can get off flat here. It's below the gap. 27. May break 27. I'm gonna have to get stopped out at 27. 26. Yeah, 26 by 27. Am I gonna get stopped out here? Giving it a little more room. Because 26 seems to be a lot of buyers. $28. Um, it's all within this gap, but I don't like the volume. I don't like the volume. I need to see green here. I need to see green. I'm gonna get out. Whatever, bro. What a day. Oh, I could still work. Down at 25 again. Got stopped out. Tried it 2 more times. Too many trades today. Too many trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got like 13 trades. It might need like 20 more minutes to see how it bases out. Dang, brother. All right, here we go. Finally, you're ready. This thing better be good. 33, 29 by 32. Better not disappoint this time, man. You better not disappoint this time because we are going for that trade. Come on. That's freaking crazy, bro. 25 was the low right here, and it eventually worked out. It's just bad timing on my part. Let's see. Wow, what a crazy move there to 38. I think if I was holding, I mean, I would still be part of this move, but man, you could never know. I could break 25. So what do we got here? This thing might freaking go, right? So now we got here 33. 33. Gonna be a crazy gap and go here. Massive volume. Shorts are getting squeezed here. Shorts are getting mega squeezed soon. Let's see if this is even going to give a dip. Otherwise, it's going to keep going. We'll take this high gap and go here. Yeah. Nope. Looks like it's not going to do it. We're going to do a dip 36. 36 dip. 36, 36, 37, 36. 36. Bro, it looks like it's gonna come down, and it doesn't come down. 37 is the spot. All right, I just gotta adjust. I'm wrestling this price action, knowing that it has strong buyers, and it doesn't dip. It doesn't dip. I have to understand that it doesn't dip. Since it's not gonna dip, maybe it'll dip next candle. 36.
JDCG may resume in less than a minute. BRWV.
You give a dip.
HYMC.
There you go. 38, 37.
JDCG may rise in 10 seconds. VRX. BEX. NBIS. LBTYF.
Going to wait really long for this trade, huh? Testing my patience, but the good moves happen when you're patient, when you execute at the right time.
BRWV. NBIL. NBIS.
37 is holding very strong here.
HYMC. WDCX.
We'll see. Looking for 37, 36.
HYMC.
I need a dip. I need a dip. Don't want to get up here. Need a dip. Give me a dip. Give a dip.
HYMC.
33 is this area here. So maybe I'm too focused with the dip, and I think this might hold up here. It's 37 by 29. What's it gonna be? Nope. Not coming down.
LBTYN.
Ah, this stock. Hold 40. Gap and go is not at all, man. I'm not taking a single gap and go on this thing. I'm taking dips. I need to see 36 here. 36, come on. 36, 35, stop 33.
HYNC.
All right, looks like we didn't get a dip. We're gonna get a nice move here, gap and go. Is it going to be a good one? 38. You gotta be there early. By the time you wait for the next candle, it's already too late. It is already indeed too late. So 42, 41.
CRWB.
Yeah, 42 was the spot. Ah, dude, it's freaking annoying, this stock, bro.
RXT. EU.
Unbelievable. Never got a dip. Held so strong. 42 was the spot. Now it's up to 48. Yeah, what am I gonna do here? Nothing. Now if we can get into break over 50 here with a stop at 45. Dip. Did kind of dip 47.
NCI.
Might be able to get to the trader at the break of 50.
RXT.
47 again.
NVIS.
Let's take it 47. 47. I got cooked on that entry. Right as it was coming lower. Don't do that. 48.
LT. NEBS.
My stop at 45. Bro, that's ridiculous, dude. I'm so high here, but if it's strong, it might get an attempt at 50. Such a bad. It's not a great trade, this one. There's no absolutely no green. No green. I have like no green on this. It might work, but I'm just not doing it correctly.
HYNC.
Dude, I wanted to take 47. The second I buy it, it goes down to 45. And I'm like, oh, okay. This thing, man. I wish the dips, when you get a dip, it's not the one. Yeah, I might have to take this $50 loss today. Tried it so many times. Stupid stock, bro. I can't. All right. One last one. One last one. Or what? For the 60 break. Are we gonna get the 60 break here? There's a 60 break. Oh, 61. Such weird price action and unable to read this thing.
RXT.
Uh, Ah, it doesn't touch any gaps, and my setup is just useless here. It's also a super high float. It's a 96 million float, you know, up to 64. All right, I'm just gonna take my L and go home. All right, we're gonna call it here. I just took 11 losses in a row. My goodness, what? From being up nicely 161 to just giving everything back. What a day. What a freaking day, man. I just could not do it today. Very first trade, boom, in on a gap and go was this? I don't remember what this was. Might have been, I can't remember. Maybe it was a gap and go. Nice dip on a 1 minute gap. Beautiful. Got some of it out 8, 9. Um, man, I just gotta be patient. I just gotta let it play, let it go, you know? Working with 1,400 shares, so took a lot of it out right there. $78, good winner. Nice winner right here. Next trade was on this gap as it was holding 26 in right there, out, 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 out right there. 29, 30, 31, and finally 29. Good read on my end. Then began everything wrong with this. So actually, I took a short here. Taking a short on this red gap, gets stopped out 24, gets stopped out 26. So took a short. Took another short here. Yeah, on this gap, gets stopped out by like, yeah, gets stopped out right here. Another one. Another short right here on this gap. And kind of too low. Not in the gap yet. I could have waited for the next minute. I was impatient. And then get stopped out 40. What the heck, man? Anyway, every loss on this thing was just gap and go, lost. Dip, try to go for a 5 minute gap here. In too soon out of 26. Tried it again, 26 out 25. Oh my gosh. In again, 28 and 28. Flat. In again, 28. Why am I doing this to myself, right? 28 out 26 just for this to be the low. Why don't you wait, man? It was just holding so strong right here. I'm thinking just a dip and then we're gonna go. Out 26. Not great. Gap and go here doesn't work. Gap and go here doesn't work. And that's on my last trade. After this, I'm like, I cannot trade this anymore. I don't know how to trade it. Um, I tried to go for the break of 50, I think, but I just failed to do it. Didn't do it too well. I think or the break of 60, I tried to go for that too. uh, it just wasn't working for me. The day was not good for me. Losing long and short, 11 red trades. So all my losses came at the same time. I cannot believe that. That's crazy. Nothing worked. Gave everything back. Wow. Anyway, we're still green on the month, so we lost just 50 bucks off the top. I think that's okay. We'll take the red day, but tomorrow will come again. I think we'll be more patient, we'll be more accurate, and hopefully other stocks fit more our style. I think I found myself wrestling this stock with all the trades that I took. Like these are pretty good trades. The first two are pretty good. Even the next one was also pretty good. Then I found myself wrestling the next trades. Um, took a dip. There was no real reason to dip here. It was weird. Or no real area to buy here. I mean, just kind of weird spot. This is where I took a short. Yeah, I took a short, ended up losing here. Um, but everything that I took just was off. I just gotta be more patient and wait for my real setups, right? The real setup would be right here, 25. Right here, 26 by 25, boom. You know, like break of 25. Like don't trade any of this area. It's so bad. And then and I need to catch this. I need to catch this area here. If it's going to bounce, it's going to bounce. I need to watch it. I need to watch this area because the bounce was just phenomenal. Look at this bounce all the way up to 70 from 25. So, and I was looking at it here too. It's holding 37 so strong, and I so wanted to see a dip. So wanted to see a dip right here. It dipped into the gap by like by 1 cent, right? So the low is 38. It goes to 37. That's not enough. Let me get 35, you know? Anyway, it goes to 37, 37, 37 for 4 minutes, and then it goes. I wanted to buy it. I didn't buy it. Anyways, it just goes. It goes, and that's kind of the rest is history. It just keeps going, grinding and grinding. Um, yeah, I don't know. Maybe try it with less size. I don't know what to. I don't know. I don't know. Hard to tell. Anyway, so we'll take it here. We're gonna be done. Down 50 bucks. That's all right. Manageable day. We'll take it. You know, our green days are much bigger, twice, 3 times, 4 times this, 5 times this, right? Which is what we want to see. So tomorrow we're hoping to have a green day, good day. So come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, try a free trading analysis tool. Mr. Profit is offering a free trading analysis tool. So just click here, add your file, click analyze, to click use free analyze tool, and you'll see this awesome view right here, which is pretty nice, where you can toggle between your between the tickers. So let me show you here. I can toggle only the short side. The short side was, yeah, 3 losses, held about a minute for all of them, you know. Yeah, that's about right. Keeping it small, keeping it, yeah, keeping the average cent per share loss small. Not bad. Um, so here we go. Average hold time. Um, yeah, 3 minutes for the long side, 1 minute. So we're not scalping so much anymore. Anyway, that's sort of the view that you'll get. You know, you get to see that. So join us for $5 a month or 50 a year. Hit me up on Discord if you have any questions. But see you tomorrow with more trading. Also, I don't mention this enough, but you get a free month if you help me add new brokers to this thing. So I'm looking to add more brokers. So if you hit me up and you want to add some more brokers, the broker that you use is not here, then let's do it, and I can get you a free month on top of the 7-day free trial. So come check us out. It's a pretty awesome analysis tool. Our community is growing, and yeah, hit me up on Discord. I'll see you tomorrow with more trading. Hopefully less frustrating.